Hi, welcome to our cooking segment, All Things Ideal, brought to you by the Ideal You Weight Loss Center. Today we are making chicken stuffed peppers, and our chef is Chef LeVea, and we are cooking from the kitchen of Banchetti by Rizzo's Banquet Hall in Amherst.
Thank you, Donna. Today we have an ideal, real simple dish here. Anybody can make it home. So we have our pepper. We're going to take the top right off it. We're going to just basically take the seeds out. You want to get all the white interior flesh off it too. Right. We're going to put that into a boiling water for 4 minutes. We're going to go with. Right. And then after that, you're just going to want to cool it quick. You can either run a little cool water over it, put it in your fridge for a few minutes just till it's workable, and then you end up with a nice pliable cooked green pepper. We have the cooked chicken, boiled chicken breast, cooled it lightly, and you can sit there and just kind of pull away at it and press away at it until it breaks all up into pieces.
You could also do a variation of this, I was thinking, if you wanted to use just Italian seasonings. Maybe instead of garlic and ginger, you use parsley, basil, oregano.
I'm just going to cook up my ingredients here,
okay.
Which consists of some red pepper.
Okay.
I'm going to cut it into chunks like that.
All right.
And then we're going to go right into our pan.
These are already cooked in olive oil?
These are roasted red peppers that you can buy at any store canned. We're going to put a little sesame oil in this. Sesame oil, it's slightly expensive in the store, but as you can see, I only used about an ounce of it. And then we're also going to be going in there with some fresh ginger. Basically, you're going to just peel it, chop it all with a knife, just like you would fresh garlic. You can put it through a garlic press, and then we're just going to hit a little bit of that into the pan, as well as some garlic. Then you can see the pepper starting to brown up a little bit.
Smells delicious.
We're going to use some green onions, scallions. And you want to cook those in as well.
And that's it with our protocol, and really with any meal preparation, it's the prep, making sure you've got the ingredients at home.
We're going to put some soy sauce right into this. 1.5 tablespoons. It's going to cook down a little bit. It is a low sodium soy sauce. Cool. Now we're going to mix this together. And then we're just going to kind of incorporate that into our chicken. And we're going to be taking 2 egg whites and just whisking them real quickly to incorporate some air into it for this dish. I have them already separated. We're going to go right into filling with it, but I put my hot ingredient in there so that the temperature can come down a little bit without having to, cook the eggs too quick.
When you eat an egg, the protein is in the white. The yolk is fat. So whenever you can do egg whites and eliminate the yolk, it's that much healthier and that a lot less calories. Now, the recipe you're going to see online is going to call for 1.5 pounds of chicken, and that will stuff 4, 5, or 6 peppers. Tell me if I'm wrong. I'm not really pressing it down. I'm just kind of lightly filling.
Yeah, if you put it too compact, you're not going to get it heated through. It's not going to be warm in the middle by the time that the outside's cooked.
And then we put this into a baking pan.
Yep. 350 degrees for approximately 30 minutes. When we plate, I do have a little Frank's hot sauce that we're going to give a little drizzle over it. So we have an ideal side to go along with the ideal stuffed pepper here today. 2 different versions. I got a grilled roasted head of cauliflower that was just split and sliced in half, or you can break it up into florets like you would see broccoli or buy it, in the frozen. But this is a fresh. It's just roasted with a little olive oil and some fresh parsley.
So here's the finished product: the beautiful green peppers stuffed with chicken and red pepper, little Frank's hot sauce, and cauliflower for the side. Perfect for any occasion and healthy. Easy to make. We'll see you next time.
All Things Ideal.